Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Ethereum, we are trading at $1,334. 24-hour volume, we're up 10.79%, and market cap, we're down 0.62%. All right, you guys. So starting with our week, we're going to go into our day and then head over to immediate short term for 2 hours. But taking a look closer at our weekly time frame here, we can see that we generated a lot of trades in this dollar amount as this node for our volume profile is sticking out here at 1327. We can see a few clusters at the top and clusters at the very bottom here, again, where price is going to want to go into. So supply and demand zones here we've got is 1633 all the way to 1562, but we have to take a look at shorter time frames to see what the likelihood of us actually coming up and retesting resistance line to make this feasible here. And as we can see here on our previous candlestick action, this candlestick here is a spinning top candlestick, normally observed at the very top. It can be an exhaustion of that uptrend as the body itself is in the middle, and we could observe that at the very bottom, it is an exhaustion of this downtrend as well. But what we need officially in order for price to come up once again is we need to make sure that we are heavenly closed above the previous close candle here. So at essentially it closed at 1292, but we have our open at 1334 here. So again, we are just a couple of dollars away from there where we can see the current price is right now. Previous action of last week's candlestick, we do need to retrace higher up here if we do want to increase the price or see the price for Ethereum to come up. Now, one of the things that we may see that pulls us down from completing this or achieving this is our MACD indicator. As we can see, we've got 1, 2, 3 bars decreasing in size, but not only that, we do see that the lightness of color as well. So ultimately at an area near support, and if it does change from green bars to red bars at the support area, then price may break through that support. But again, we're being optimistic. We're not hopefully saying that we are going to come back down, but it is cautionary as again, the indicator is showing us that the trend may be over. Now, another alternative here that we can see is the RSI. We may be considered to be oversold, but again, keep in mind we are on a weekly time frame, so it isn't going to be as fast in the results that we're going to see. So closer in today, what we are going to experience, or in the week here, we may experience some pullbacks or possibly a longer lower tail here. Now going into our daily time frame here, you guys, there's a few indicators that you already see. If you are currently following my channel, I'd love to see the RSI and the MACD indicator. So let's dive right into it. As we can see here, we can see our RSI itself is initiating that we are considered to be overbought. But one of the things here that we saw was we saw a selling opportunity as we saw the white line come down below the pink line here is a selling opportunity. And whenever we see the white line go above the pink line, it is a buying opportunity. So we had a very short selling opportunity coming down to our 61% of our fib here. As price itself came up, we saw increase of volume here, which is a good sign. As we saw that, not only we saw a decrease of the MACD indicator as the lightness of the red color is going to help us propel the price higher and retest an area of resistance. And as you guys can see, the area of resistance is right here at 1352. As we can see on the RSI, it has flipped over once again and gave us a buying opportunity at this candlestick going into progression of tomorrow. However, okay, this is however, very warning, is because we are considered to be overbought at 95%, we can't anticipate that the price can all of a sudden go up $100 or $200 because we have this indicator and we have this indicator at the very bottom here. Now, again, here is another example of the candlestick itself, the small body and bigger wicks at the top and the bottom. Essentially, we need our candlestick to be higher from the actual open at 1336 again. So we need to get higher in here for the possible retest of our resistance at 50% at the 1352. Okay. We do have, possibilities or optimistic with our MACD indicator as we are coming up to retest an area of resistance. Once again, once we see it from the red to the green, we are going to break above that, and essentially we are going to close above it as well. Okay, last 2 hours. Okay, 2 hours of our chart here. So if we take a look at our chart, same thing with Bitcoin. What happened was we had a boost of the price, a boost of the volume, a boost of the MACD indicator. Of course, we are going to, go hand in hand of this boost. We're going to come back down. And if you take a look here, we got lightness in the color of the MACD indicator. We got a crossover of a selling opportunity, and we see a flip over from the green to the red, huge selling pressure as well. But what we can anticipate is price going to consolidate sideways from hitting from resistance to an area of support. Now, if we take a look here, before the price broke out, we had a resistance of 1348 and a support of the 1306. Price consolidated sideways until it came down to be oversold, flipped over to the green, breaking all of these retracement lines. As we can see now, the price has retraced back into the same channel of resistance to support. As price is going to be challenged in the next couple of hours again, we see the lightness of our MACD indicator at an area of resistance. You guys know what that means. We are going to break above it. And the RSI itself showed us a selling or a buying opportunity from this red candlestick that we saw here. So as price is going to come back up, if we come back up here at the 1348, we see that the lines of our MACD indicator are getting closer. We will close above that because we will have enough momentum. Now, if we do see the RSI retrace all the way up to 100%, hypothetically at this area of support or resistance, then price may come back down and retrace downwards until, we get another initiated breakout through this consolidation phase. So that's my update for Ethereum. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment down below, but I'll see you next time. Bye.